TikTok Shop Affiliate lets creators earn 5 to 30% commissions by promoting products in videos, Josh Lives. Requires 18 plus age, clean record, and 1,000 to 5,000 plus followers. Varies by region, 1,000 minimum for self-apply in US, UK, Europe, etc. Steps: switch to business account TikTok app. Profile, menu, three lines, settings and privacy, account, switch to business account, select category, for example, retail. Apply in Creator Tools profile, menu, Creator Tools, TikTok Shop, Affiliate, or search TikTok Shop Affiliate in-app. Tap, apply, agree to terms, provide bank details for payouts, verify eligibility, enter follower count, niche, and content examples. TikTok reviews, 7 days, instant for some. If under 5,000 followers, but 1,000 plus, join pilot program, limited videos per week. Once approved, access affiliate center, browse marketplace, request products, samples, promote via videos, tag with shopping bag icon, earn on sales.